Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to add YouTube videos to your website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you where to find the embed code generated by YouTube and how to place that code onto your website. One thing to mention is that how and where you place the code on your website may vary, depending on how and what platform your website was built on. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a YouTube video to a WordPress website. Firstly, we need to find a video to embed. So I'm just going to use one of my old how-to videos as an example. To get the code, you need to scroll down, click on Share, and then Embed. You will see there's a snippet of code generated. Just below the code, you have some options. Firstly, you can choose to show suggested videos when your video finishes. I would not select this option, as suggestions generated are normally not relevant to your audience and can distract them from your content. Next is the use HTTPS. You may need to check this box if the website you're embedding the video on also uses HTTPS. Sites commonly using this are e-commerce or other sites that need higher level of security. Most standard websites do not have this enabled, so you can leave the box unchecked. Next is the Enable Privacy Enhanced mode. Enabling this option means that YouTube won't store information about visitors on your web page unless they play the video. I would leave this box unchecked unless you have a specific reason to stop YouTube logging your visitors' stats. The final option is to use Old Embed Code. Most websites will support the new YouTube embed codes, but there are still some website platforms or plugins that require the old embed code in order for them to work. But this is rare, so I would always use the code generated above unless specifically told not to. Once you're happy with the selections, you will need to just copy the above code by either right-clicking and selecting Copy, or hold down Ctrl and C. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will be embedding the code to a test page on my own WordPress website. Once you're on the page, you will need to select the HTML view. If you leave the page in the visual view, you will just see the code on the publish page rather than the actual video. Then you simply paste the code onto the page. Then you go over to your right and hit on Update. Once this is done, you go to the web page you've just published the video to. And you can see there's my YouTube video embedded onto my WordPress website page. If you would like your video to start automatically, you will need to enter the following code onto your page. Locate the rel equals 0 and click next to the 0. Then you need to add and autoplay equals 1. And then click on Update. Then you go back to your publish page and refresh the screen, and autoplay should be working. As you can see, autoplay is working and your video starts automatically. That's the end of our how to embed YouTube videos on your website tutorial, and I hope you found it useful.